I'm Nasir from Freelancer and Programming Tips and Tricks. And in today's tutorial, you will learn about HTML and HTML5 and difference between them. On 16 September 2014, WC moved HTML5 to post accommodation, and on 28 October 2014, HTML5 was released as a stable W3 recommendation, bringing the specification to the completion. And HTML5 is a markup language and for internet used for presenting the World Wide Web. And as October 2014, the final update of the HTML, it is the HTML5 and used for as a standard for World Wide Web by the W3C. And previous version HTML4 was standardized in 1997. And now I will explain a bit about the HTML and HTML5 difference. The hypertext markup language HTML is the primary markup language used for constructing the web pages, and HTML5 is the version of HTML. And there are lots of differences that are given in HTML and HTML5. The main difference between HTML and HTML5 is that video and audio are not a part of HTML, but these both are integral parts of HTML5. Now we move on our lesson. That's it. Next thing we will discuss about HTML version. HTML versions are every software or every product in the market always have new versions in every year or every 6 months and so on. Same the situation is about HTML. In HTML, the first version comes in 1991 and the last version comes in 2014, and we are using it till present. Other thing is DOCTYPE Declaration. What is DOCTYPE Declaration? DOCTYPE Declaration helps the browser to display a web page correctly. For example, we are creating a web page in HTML, ASP.NET, XML, etc. in which then we will want, and then we will have to tell the browser that we are creating this document, for example HTML, ASP, or which we want to display on the web browser. So we declare DOCTYPE. DOCTYPE declaration is not case sensitive. It means we can define in any capital letters or small letters, but the text is DOCTYPE, DOCTYPE and HTML. And the other methods or other declaration methods are here. These are just examples. We can also capitalize any letter in this here. The next thing is HTML page structure. HTML page structure contains the HTML tag, head section and body section. In HTML, we first take HTML tag and end it here. This is our main tag, and then we will start head section. Head section, in the head section we will display title or style sheet or JavaScript code which we want to use in our web document. After the head section, we will start body, which is the main part of HTML document. In the body, we will define any web content or our page content which we want to display as a web browser. For example, here we have used heading H1 to display heading on the web page, and 2 paragraphs. And it starts with P and /P. That is, it starts with starting tag P and ending tag /P. Right? And it displays the heading and paragraphs in the body. And title will display above in the tab. of the page. HTML tags. HTML tags are keywords, that is tag names surrounded by angle brackets, that is tag name and content in between the tag name, and then we slash tag name, then we close this tag and show our content between these two tags. These tag names can be any of the tags, for example h1, p, and which are image etc, which we will want to use in our web browser. HTML tags normally come in pairs like p and /p. The first tag in the pair is the start tag, and the second tag is the ending tag. The end tag is written like the start tag but with a slash before the tag name. Now let's take an example. In this example, we will first of all declare the doctype. Doctype declaration defines the document type to be HTML, right? And then the text between HTML and /HTML describes an HTML document. This means if we write here XML or anything else, then this document will convert to that document. But here we will, as we are learning about HTML, so we will declare our document in HTML. In HTML document, we will take two tags, in head and body. In the head, the text between head and /head provides information about the document, and the text between title and /title provides the title for the document. The text between body and /body provides the visual page content. Here we describe the our visual page content, that is our images, our videos, our heading, paragraph, etc. And text between h1 and /h1 describes a heading, and text between p and /p describes a paragraph. This is an example of HTML. Now, if we want to show its output, then we will require a web browser. What is the web browser? The purpose of web browser is to read HTML documents and display them. The common web browsers are Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, etc. Now I will show you how to display its result. First of all, we save it as all files. Its name, for example, first.html, and HTML is the HTML page extension. As much pages we will want to display HTML, then we will write its extension as .html. Now I will save it as desktop, run it, and it will display its output, that is we write in our body. This is heading and this is paragraph, and this is heading and this is paragraph. This was a basic introduction about HTML, and for more videos and tutorials, subscribe our channel and visit our website. Thanks for watching. I will show you the other things about HTML in the next tutorial. Take care.